Get cold feet. Get cold feet means to suddenly feel nervous or afraid to do something you had planned or agreed to do. Let's look at some example sentences. They plan to start their own business but got cold feet after thinking about the risks. Tina accepted the high level executive position in London, but when it came time to sign the agreement, she got cold feet and decided to stay at her current company. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. Raj woke up on the morning of the marathon and felt so terrified of the 10-kilometer distance that he almost decided not to run it. Raj woke up on the morning of the marathon and got cold feet about the daunting 10-kilometer distance, almost deciding not to run. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.